Blind student Momin Maaz shines in HSC Exam 2025. Momin Welfare Society felicitated in a grand function. A felicitation function was organized in Bhiwandi on the fabulous success of Momin Maaz Momin Sharif, who despite being visually impaired, secured 84.33% marks in the commerce. The function was presided over by Abdul Majid Abdul Aziz, senior member of the society. The program began with the recitation of the Holy Quran by Momin Sohaib Seemab Anwar. Subhan Sikandar Ansari, Honorary Secretary, welcomed and offered the opening remarks, expressing his long-standing ties with Momin Maaz and his family. Momin Fahim Ahmad acknowledged Maaz's success and struggle as a beacon of light for the students of the city. Abdul Aziz Ansari, coordinator UCMOU, appreciated the efforts of Maaz, support of his parents, and stated Maaz a shining example. Momin Tabassum Niaz, principal Rabia Girls High School and Junior College, appreciated his parents' support as his examination center was in her school, and she used to observe every day how his father and mother used to care during the examination period. On this occasion, Maaz's elder uncle, Momin Hanif Master, also expressed his views. The special guest, Mehboobur Rahman Ansari, said that he knows the challenges with such students and appreciated the Maaz and his parents for facing and overcoming of such difficulties. Maulana Imtiaz Falahi labeled the program a celebration of belongingness. He said every person present in the gathering is feeling a sense of belongingness in Maaz's success. He prayed for Maaz and to encourage this asset of the community, who is also the Hafiz of the 8 chapters of the Holy Quran. Momin Maaz said that he intends to pursue a course in management studies. Seemab Anwar compared the function. Program was successfully completed with the cooperation of the members of Momin Welfare Society.